Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the start device assembly in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new start device assembly. The start device assembly is located at the back of the refrigerator. It's mounted on the side of the compressor. If your refrigerator is not cold at all and you can hear humming and clicking sounds coming from the back of the fridge, like the compressor is trying to start every minute or two, the start device is most likely bad and should be replaced. The faulty start device usually will rattle when it's shaking, but not stirred. Get to the back of the fridge. We need to remove the rear access panel. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, first take out one screw that holds the water inlet line, and then take out the rest of the screws that holds the panel. Remove the access panel. Push in to unhook and remove the retaining wire. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry off the old start device from the compressor. Don't use force. You may damage the compressor's terminals. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the tab and disconnect the wire plug. Unplug the run capacitor and put it aside. We are going to use it again. This is the old start device assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Plug the run capacitor into the new compressor start device. Connect the wire plug. Install the new start device on the compressor terminals. The one on the top and two at the bottom, just like a triangle. Make sure it's all the way in. Place the retaining wire on the bottom and snap it on the top. Install the access panel with the top edge under the lip. Secure the access panel with the 1/4-inch screws. Secure the water inlet line with a single 1/4-inch screw. Plug the refrigerator in and stop buying horrible, disgusting fast food. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.